Say hi, Swati. We are currently at an Iranian restaurant. We're gonna try Bran Maska, and it's called Stadium Restaurant. Swati is very interested in having the Nescafe and Bran Maska, right? Yes. And after this, we're gonna go to Gateway. From there, we'll take a ferry. There is our Bran Maska. Looks yummy, and it tastes yummy also. It's still waiting for our coffee to come. That's our coffee. Oh, Swati is very happy with our coffee. How does it taste, Swati? Tastes good? Give me a thumbs up if it tastes good. Yes. We just visited this restaurant called Stadium Restaurant, and we had amazing Bran Maska and coffee. It's an Iranian restaurant, and now we're walking to the streets of Bombay. We are currently in Churchgate, waiting for a taxi to go to Gateway. 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 Taxi guy has stopped. We are at Maidan going We're about to reach a port. You can see this of Langkawi. Don't you think so? What do you say? Doesn't it remind you of Langkawi? And we've reached a port. We're going to get off our fish. There are a lot of these small restaurants or shops in the college. Oh, they have kakadi to eat, which we will have in some time. Let's go in. We just had our breakfast, so we decided to have it later. And they have some mini train service tickets. Oh, it's ₹10. We'll walk and see. They must be having ticket there also. Oh, they have beautiful hats here. Swati is quite impressed by these hats. And there is the train service. We should buy the ticket for the train. So that's our train, toy train. We want tickets to the toy train. Where do we get the tickets? The toy train is full. That's our toy train coming, on which we're gonna go right now. Yes, Swati is excited. We're gonna get into the train. Get in, Swati, get in. There, forward, go forward. What a seat. Let's sit this side so we know where we're going there. We're waiting for it to start now. And there is our toy train. And we're still on our toy train. This is the other side. get a guidebook, it is worth 150 bucks. Quite expensive for a guidebook. We are planning to get a fish magnet to keep it with us. And there are a lot of fancy cute stuff available. The paved roads look very inviting. Swati has decided to get a guidebook to Elephanta. Oh, and it's in black and white. She loves it. And we are on our way again. So steep lines from here. Tiring like that. Steep line seems endless. We've been walking for 20 minutes now. Swati is breathless. How breathless are you, baby? We are currently at the Elephanta caves. Quite sunny and hot. And that was about 40 rupees for an Indian for an entry fee, and it was about 600 rupees for a foreigner. And that's Swati getting ready to go inside. We're going to enter the caves. These are the Elephanta caves over here, and you can see all archaic buildings. Video recording wasn't allowed inside the caves, so we had to stick to taking only photography, still photography. Now we are outside. We will be on our way to see what else Elephanta Caves holds for us. And as we walk towards cave number 2, 3, 4, 5, there are no shops over here except for a lonely dog that can be seen walking towards us. It's quite sunny here for November. We're walking down at the side, walking straight. This is cave number 3. We just came past cave number 2 over there. There is nothing much to see over here, and as we walk towards it, we see a very small cave compared to cave number 1. Cave number 1 is supposed to be the biggest cave. This is cave number 4. I guess we've not got cave number 2 on camera. That's okay. More or less everything seems to be similar. And we're walking towards cave number 4. As we walk towards it, we see they do have certain changes among them. More or less, these are all small caves compared to the first one. This has a Shivalinga inside. As we go towards it, you'll be able to see it. That's the Shivalinga over there. Then we walk. I can hear someone saying Om inside. Someone's meditating inside. See? I know who it was. Here is my wifey standing and refusing to come inside cave number 4. She's tired already. Yes. Now we're on our way to cave number 5. That's our 5th cave. We are walking towards our 5th cave. Yeah, I think we might as well go. There's nothing more beyond this. So we might as well just walk towards the cave. And as we go inside, this is our last cave. Basically, there's nothing more to do in Elephanta caves after this. This cave looks interesting. Maybe there's water there, not sure. Let's go ahead and check it out. And as I go near the cave, it's quite empty. So we'll go back now. Swati hasn't come with me. I guess she's tired already. That's the end of the road in Elephanta Caves. Let's just catch up for a snack somewhere, and head back home. As you walk out, you will see the mangrove forest. You will see there is a lot of mangroves over there. Vast land covered. That's the end of our trip. We are going through the exit now. And a short Elephanta cave trip, which is actually a World Heritage Monument, is done.